Welcome back to 2230, your go-to source for engaging discussions on current events and issues in the Asian region. Today, we've got a gripping story that combines legal drama, professional ethics, and a touch of controversy. I'm sure by the end of this video, you'll have a lot to say about it. Now, the case we're delving into today revolves around lawyer Cheng Kuan and his suspension by the court of 3 judges. Why, you might ask? Well, Cheng's journey takes us through a web of conditions, responsibility, and professional misconduct. So, let's get started. Back in May 2021, Cheng made a written agreement with the Supreme Court and Law Society of Singapore. This agreement outlined specific conditions for his supervision of another lawyer, Ravi. It included ensuring Ravi's compliance with his practising certificate, submitting monthly reports to the Attorney General's chambers and the Law Society, and promptly notifying them of any issues that might affect Ravi's fitness to practice. However, things took a twist. Cheng allowed Ravi to run his own practice without supervision, gave him the freedom to hire his own employees, and had no knowledge of Ravi's activities. In essence, he wasn't keeping an eye on the very responsibilities he had agreed to shoulder. In November 2021, the Attorney General's Chambers, AGC, asked Cheng to account for Ravi's behavior in court and on social media. What's interesting here is that Cheng distanced himself from Ravi's legal activities, stating that he didn't review the documents prepared by Ravi and was unaware of several incidents. Moreover, Ravi didn't adhere to additional conditions set by Cheng. He failed to seek written approval before taking on cases and continued to post about cases he handled under K K Cheng Law. This divergence from the agreed-upon terms added another layer of complexity to the case. The turning point came on January 6, 2022, when the Attorney General filed a complaint against Cheng. This marked the beginning of a series of events that ultimately led to his suspension. Cheng's lawyer suggested a 1-month suspension, while the Law Society, represented by Mark Cham, proposed a much more substantial suspension of 6 to 8 months. And that's where we are today. In the end, the court of 3 judges found Cheng's misconduct to be significant enough to warrant a 6-month suspension, effective from January 1, 2024. So, there you have it, a legal storm that raises some serious questions about professional responsibility and ethics. Now, I want to hear from you, our incredible community here at 2230. What's your take on this case? Do you think the suspension duration is fair? And, if you've enjoyed this deep dive into the story, please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content. This is 2230, keeping you informed and engaged. Stay tuned for more thought-provoking stories from our region. Until next time.